So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
Okay, since I already have my basic makeup on, I just need to do my eyeshadow. Yeah. Oh, I'm covering you. I'm covering you. Nggak bisa lihat, cuma bisa lihat tangan gitu. Lagi ganti baju guys di belakang. This is literally the only palette I brought. I'm gonna go with just like the basic bitch matte brown again. I'm all about the basic colors. And then, okay, this is like day 3 of Coachella, so can you please understand that I don't want to go extra anymore. Kayak udah capek banget guys, legit capek banget. Tiap pagi tuh tidur jam 4 pagi, bangun jam kayak 10, get ready, go to Coachella at 4, stay there till 12, transport home. Kere Coachella. Okay, and then I'm gonna use a smaller crease brush. This is by Luxie. It's a mini tapered brush, and to clean off the previous eyeshadow from it, I'm using this sponge color switch by Vera Mona. Ini bagus banget. It's totally clean, even though it's not exactly clean, but it's clean enough to put on another eyeshadow color on. I want to go with my second brown, which is a darker brown here. Actually, I'm just gonna go with black. Why not? It's Coachella. Let's just do it. Okay, so I brought 4 Artisan Pro lashes because I'm extra and I just wanted options. You see, these are really natural looking, dramatic, super tapered on the ends, which gives it a very feathery effect. See, and then this one is more like fluttery. That one might be good for today. And then I'm gonna use my House of Lashes eyelash glue. This is the black one. It's the best eyelash glue ever. I'm gonna use this one. I'll be right back after Michelle changes. Look how beautiful. Oh. By the way, I went to the Artisan Pro punya luncheon. They showed me how they made it and it was all handmade. It's really unique because every single lash is different and it's not plasticky. It looks like real hair. I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. Right now, okay. And then I'm gonna use my liquid eyeliner and I'm just going to line the space between my lash line and the falsies. Gonna finish up the lower lash line with this brown shade. Okay, now I'm gonna put the Coachella in my makeup. I'm gonna use white liner and I'm just gonna draw some lines everywhere. Damn, look at that highlight. Done, and I'm gonna go to the Lost and Found and get my wallet. Yay! Yay! By the way, it's Michelle's birthday. Happy birthday! Oh my god, it's her birthday and I just scratched her face. How do you feel today?
I feel gak old sih, biasa aja sih sebenarnya, tapi when you hit after 20-ish, your birthday is just like another birthday gitu loh.
Kok Ancu hari ini jadi angel, make upin, udah gitu tadi katanya headband aku aneh di samping, dia suruh di tengah katanya. Ya, lebih lucu nggak kok? Kayak gitu. Lucu. So we're here at the Lost and Found. We're here in Coachella, and it's super hot right now. Ta-da! And then we asked an employee for help. Terus dia malah minta nomor gua dong. Aduh, modus banget. Dia sampai bilang, nanti gua antar lu aja ke sana. He escorted us here to the lost and found, and then he's like, why not I have your number too so I can make sure that you actually found your wallet. And I'm like, I'm so sorry, I have a boyfriend. And he was like, it's okay, I hate it when people say sorry. It's fine, it's fine. Guys, so I found my wallet, and it's so interesting. All my cash is gone, even my Indonesian rupiah. My Bank of America card hilang. Credit card yang Indo masih ada. My iktp yang took so long to make. Oh my god, thank god I still have it. My IC, which also takes so long to get. Okay, that's all. I'm blessed this trip for sure. Take it away to the dark side. I'll be video calling my mom. Jovi juga video calling his mom. Tuh saling ketemu mami.
Hai tante, ini mami sama mami, kita lagi video
Tuh
call.
lagi video call bareng.
Ini maminya Titan.
Ini lucu banget.
Itu dulu ada. Ini dengar. Dengerin.
Good afternoon guys, it's the day after Coachella Festival. Semua orang capek banget. So I wanted to tell you guys who I met in Coachella. I met several bloggers, tapi I didn't say hi to any of them because I'm a little wuss. I'm scared. I met I think her name is Tiffany Ma on YouTube. She's like one of the squad for Eva, Mia Stammer gitu-gitu, temennya mereka. I met Vivian, the YouTuber that I met in Indo. Cuma I didn't say hi because she was busy taking photos with her followers. But the highlight was I met Grayson Dolan from the Dolan twins. Cuman he was walking past me cepet banget. Gak ada proof. If you didn't grab it, it didn't happen ya. Dia jalan cepet banget, terus gue inget banget the back of his shirt itu Playboy, ada tulisan Playboy. Terus gue langsung ke Instagramnya, terus ternyata dia pakai baju Playboy, so I was like, shit, that was Grayson Dolan, ganteng banget in real life, oh my god. Cuma ya itu sih, dia kayak ada his bad boy vibe, pokoknya hot lah. We're going to Joshua Tree National Park today. I wanted to show you my Titan baju haram today. I think I got this tulle dress from Circa.Essentials. This flower nipple patch bra is from Victoria's Secret. I got it on sale. And then this Sunnies is also specifically just for photos because it doesn't really serve a purpose. This is from Please.Purchase. Love it so much. Hai guys, sekarang kita ada di Joshua Tree National Park, tapi agak fail soalnya udah mau sunset, so we just stop in the middle of the road. Tiba-tiba didatangi oleh Vina Gracia, MUA 6+ years. Padahal gue cuma bilang Joshua Tree, dia bisa kecari di sini. Padahal tempat gak jelas. Hai Ethan. Salam kenal tante, aku Titan. Dingin banget di sini.
Halo.
Baru bangun ini.
Kasian bingung langsung gak mau gue nganter segala.
Ayo kenalan dulu dong. Kenalan dulu. Aku
Mana tangannya? High five aja, high five.
Nih, buka kacamata dulu biar nggak takut ya. High five. Nggak mau.
Can't believe what I found when I got a little piece of you into.
So I'm home right now. I'm staying at my friend's place. Jazz. She probably doesn't want me to film her right now. She's like, no. Yeah, I ruined my boy bag because I stupidly put it inside my suitcase. And then now it's like crumpled, you see. Aku mau nunjukin kalian trick yang tadi Jazz baru taught me. So you stuff your bag and you stuff it with clothes. You turn on your hairdryer to like medium heat. So as you can see now, the bag is softer because the leather is hot. So it's more pliable and you can put your shirt inside. And so you can structure it back. Jayo. Yeah, I think someone's still here. Tuh, dia kasih aku kertas dan tulisannya, I think you are cute, text me if interested, dan ada nomor dia. Oh my god, maaf.